Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
October 21st, 1110 America, New York. Guns and butter. The first thing one learns from economics is what figured at the beginning of Paul Samuelson's famous college textbook. Society must choose between guns and butter.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 21st, 1056 America, New York. Janet Yellen's learning curve. Looking beyond her rocky start, the Treasury Secretary reflects on inflation and the cognitive biases that affect policy makers and markets.
BBC News Business. October 21st, 9:52 America, New York. Spain lifts final COVID rules for UK travelers. British holidaymakers will no longer have to provide COVID or vaccination status to get into Spain.
New York Times Business.
October 21st, 9:38 America, New York. As Britain's economy stumbles, one sector is booming: whiskey. Scotch whiskey exports have soared this year. The weak British pound could spur even more demand for single malt Scotch.
New York Times Business.
October 21st, 9:27 America, New York. Investing in the shadow of a recession. Recessions come in many varieties. Any would bring pain. But if history is a guide, stocks and bonds are likely to rise eventually, our columnist says.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 21st, 9:23 America, New York. Hong Kong scraps screening of Batman film. Organizers scrapped an outdoor screening of The Dark Knight, which featured a Chinese gangster and was partially filmed in Hong Kong, following a recommendation from the city's film censors.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
October 21st, 9:22 America, New York. Adidas says consumers are struggling. In reality, they are getting selective. The German sportswear brand has noticed a spending slowdown in Western markets since September. The company's problems go deeper.
BBC News Business.
October 21st, 8:15 America, New York. Tesco raises meal deal price as food costs soar. It is the first time in 10 years the popular lunch choice has gone up for all customers.
New York Times Business.
October 21st, 7:52 America, New York. The race is on to find the UK's next Prime Minister. Turmoil returned to Britain's financial markets as the Conservative Party once again seeks a new candidate to serve as Prime Minister. A swift end to a short tenure.
Global economy.
October 21st, 7:35 America, New York. Airlines hit by jet shortages in new challenge for aviation. Supply chain crunch disrupts deliveries as carriers are forced to reduce flights.
Daily FX Market News.
October 21st, 7:30 America, New York. Euro USD outlook. 0.9850 holds firm as ECB meeting comes into focus. The pair has largely traded in a 120 pip range this week and lacks clear direction. Will the ECB provide a catalyst for its next move?
Marginal revolution.
October 21st, 7:25 America, New York. OTC prescriptions save on medical costs. The excellent Joel Solanchio writes on medical disruption from the rise of self-care. I've been asked many times whether I think that AI will replace doctors. Never once have I been asked if I thought that OTC drugs could replace doctors. Daily FX Market News.
October 21st, 7 o'clock America, New York. BTC, USD forecast. Bitcoin prices unscathed as technical levels hold. Bitcoin prices have recently shrugged off major systemic risks as price action remains in a restrictive range. What next for BTC? Global economy.
October 21st, 6:33 America, New York. Falling retail sales fuel concerns of looming UK recession. Bigger than expected drop in September comes as consumer confidence levels hover around 50-year low.
Daily FX Market News.
October 21st, 6 o'clock America, New York. US dollar, USD, primed for the next move higher as US Treasury yields rally. U.S. Treasury yields continue to post fresh multi-year highs on further hawkish Fed rhetoric, and the U.S. dollar is taking no prisoners in the FX market.
Global economy.
October 21st, 2:50 America, New York. Let us pray for our personal finances. Future for tax, pensions and energy policy has been tossed into the political salad spinner.
BBC News Business.
October 21st, 2:20 America, New York. Government borrowing rises in September. Borrowing reached £20 billion last month, according to the Office for National Statistics.
Marginal revolution.
October 21, 046 America, New York. What should Latin America learn from India? That is another Mr. Reader request. Here are a few possible answers. 1. You could word this question the other way around, noting that Bolivia, one of the poorer Latin American economies, is several times richer than India per capita.